Now see this, show that sum of two idempotent matrices A and B is idempotent if AB equal to BA equal to null matrix, right? So they are saying that A and B are already idempotent, and now A into B and B into A is also equal to null. Using these facts, you have to prove that sum of these two idempotent matrices, which means A plus B, is also idempotent. Okay, so what they wanted to prove is, finally we have to use the facts that A and B are idempotent. So if A and B are idempotent, we know that A square is going to be A and B square is going to be B. This is what we know, since they are idempotent, right? And also they have given this equation, right? So we are supposed to use these three equations, probably four equations, right? And then we have to prove that sum of these two idempotent matrices A and B is also idempotent. So what is that we have to prove finally is A plus B is a matrix. Sum of these two matrices is also idempotent, which means A plus B whole square is equal to A plus B. This is what we should prove, right, using this fact and this fact, right? And how can we prove it? So I'm taking the LHS, and from there I'll try to derive the RHS using these things. Now A plus B square equal to, we know this, A plus B into A plus B. I cannot write A square plus B square plus 2AB. It is A and B are not numbers, they are matrices. That is why I'm just deriving it. Okay, multiply this A with this one, then what do we get? A square plus AB, plus multiply this B with this one, then what do we get? BA plus B square, right? And now here there is A square, AB, BA, B square, right? And now it is already given that AB is equal to null, BA is equal to null. Therefore I can simply delete them, because placing 0 is nothing but deleting them. They don't have any weightage. And now we already know that A square equal to A and B square equal to B. Therefore in place of A square I am going to write A, and in place of B square I am going to write B. So what did we get? A plus B square is equal to A plus B. Then what can we say about the sum of these two idempotent matrices? They are idempotent. Therefore sum of two idempotent matrices is going to be idempotent given that, you know, AB and BA both are 0. Got it? Okay.